in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to connect OpenAI to N8N. So first, you will have to log into your OpenAI and copy your API key from the platform page. Then you will have to open N8N and go ahead to credential section, which you can find under the personal. And then what you will have to do is you can use HTTP basic auth or the OpenAI credential if it is available. And then after that, you will create a workflow and then add an HTTP request node. So go ahead and click this plus button right here and then search for HTTP request, and then you will have to set the method to post, and then you will have to enter the OpenAI chat endpoint URL, and in the headers you will add authorization with application JSON, then fill in your modal, your message, and settings in the body. Once everything is set, you will use the result in your workflow, and that's basically it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.